Hi, my name is Riley and I'm from Genmega ATM's technical support team. Today, I'm going to show you how to bind your CDU to your mainboard on a Genmega machine. The reason you'd want to bind your CDU to your mainboard is to protect it against hackers and jackpotters. You're going to start the CDU binding process by logging into your machine. Once you're in the operator function menu, you're going to go ahead and click System Setup, then Device Setup, then CDU Setup. From these options, you're going to go ahead and click the Firmware Download button. From here, it's pretty easy. There's going to be instructions on the screen walking you through the entire thing the rest of the time, but don't worry, we'll still walk you through it. Now you're going to go from here down to your CDU. So go ahead and open up your vault door and pull out your CDU. We're going to go ahead and change the CDU into firmware download mode. You're going to want to pay attention to this set of dip switches. To put it into firmware download mode, you're going to just turn all of the dip switches off. In this case, it's just one. Then press and release the black reset button. After you press that black reset button, you're going to go back to your screen. And then you're going to go ahead and press this execute firmware download button. It's going to download. Once the download is complete, it's going to automatically take you to another step-by-step screen. After this, you will go back down to your CDU control board. You're going to go ahead and put your CDU into a different mode. You're going to go ahead and flip dip switch 1, 2, and 3 to on. And press that black reset button. After that, you're going to go ahead and go back up to your screen, and you're going to go ahead and select the secure mode button. This will take you back to the CDU setup screen. From here, there's going to be a new option available to you, and it's called Auto Set Security Key. Go ahead and click that. Then it's going to say something like Security Key Set Success. After this, you will go back down to your CDU control board. You're going to go ahead and put your CDU into secure mode. 1 and 4 are on, 2 and 3 are off. And then you'll press the black reset button. To verify that your CDU is bound, we're going to go ahead and then cancel out of all our options and initialize the machine. Once your device is initialized, just log in to make sure your CDU status matches. Just to make sure that your CDU is in the correct mode. It should say CDU secure. After that, you are good to reprogram or put your machine back into service. And that is how you bind your CDU to your mainboard on your Genmega. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to give a call to our support team. Oh my gosh, okay, I said that wrong. I'm gonna do that one more time. I said that wrong again. I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna do that one more time. Okay. I think that's it.